Namaste viewers, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to prepare Pudina Tokku. Ingredients for this are 1 bowl of pudina, 1 cup of green chilies, half a cup of tamarind, salt according to taste. These all things we will grind it. For tempering, mustard seeds, turmeric powder. Here I am going to add this powder. This is the powder of mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds. Equal proportion of mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds I have taken and fried and powdered it. Oil for frying. Now first we will grind tamarind. Take a mixie jar. Tamarind. Then green chilies. Then salt according to taste. First I will grind these ingredients. Once it get grinded, then I will add the pudina leaves. Now I have grinded it. At this stage we will add pudina leaves and grind it nicely. Now add pudina leaves. We will add batch by batch and grind it, otherwise mixie won't run. So I will add it batch by batch. Now I have grinded the pudina leaves. Next we will start the procedure. Now switch on the stove. Take a pan, let it get heated. Now add oil in the pan. Around 2 tablespoons of oil. Add hing. Then mustard seeds. Let it splatter. Now add quarter spoon of turmeric, and now time to add the grinded pudina. Now I have added all the grinded pudina to the pan and I will fry it for 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes thick and leaves the oil. Don't use more water while grinding, or else it will take very long time to get cooked. Then it will spoil also. If you add little water and you will keep this, you can store this up to 8 to 10 days. At this stage, I am going to add this mustard and fenugreek roasted and powder. 1 spoon of mustard seeds, 1 spoon of fenugreek seeds. I have roasted it and powdered it. Now let it cook. Now after 7 to 8 minutes, it looks like this. Let it cook for few more minutes. The moisture in the pudina should evaporate totally. Then only it will last for the chutney. The tokku will last for 8 to 10 days, or else it will get spoiled. There should not be any moisture in the tokku. Once it starts leaving oil, I will switch off the stove and I will show. Now it has almost done. Started leaving oil and it has become a lump. Now at this stage you switch off the stove and you thoroughly cool it and store it in a airtight container. You can store it for 10 days, 8 to 10 days you can store. It can be used with with rice, dosa, idli. Now it is done. Now pudina tokku is ready to serve. Once it cooled, then only you store it in a airtight container. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Thank you.